Hi, this is Bastian for AndroidPIT.com. You're looking for a smartphone that's compact but at the same time really powerful? Then Sony's compact line should be a really good choice. At NWC we got introduced to the newest version, so let's have a first look at the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact. With the new XZ2 model, Sony has finally dumped its old, boxy design and migrated towards a fresher and noticeably rounder look. On the front of the device, there is a 5-inch LCD panel that comes in a now popular 18:9 aspect ratio. The screen has received a resolution upgrade to Full HD Plus and is protected by a layer of Gorilla Glass 5 that's slightly curved on the sides. Even though it looks like some kind of glass, the back of the device consists of hardened polycarbonate, which definitely looks and feels pretty nice, with the fingerprint sensor being in a convenient location next to the camera. The front and back of the device are connected through an aluminum frame. Under the hood we mostly find the same hardware as with the big brother, the XZ2. There's the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 with a Cat15 modem. With 64GB of internal memory, the Compact is finally on par with its larger sibling. Though in case you need additional memory, there's a combined microSD and dual SIM slot. The 19-megapixel motion eye camera records 4K HDR video and is capable of Full HD slow motion clips with up to 960 FPS, albeit with a very short high-speed burst duration of 0.182 seconds. Now, not only the main, but also the front camera is capable of capturing 3D scans, enabling you to record 3D selfies. We're not entirely sure what to do with that, but it's pretty damn cool. While Sony says that the loudness of the internal speakers has been increased by 20%, the XZ2 Compact lacks the dynamic sound system of its bigger brother, that basically uses the vibration motor as some kind of acoustic haptic subwoofer. There was just no space in the case. The XZ2 Compact is running Android 8.0 Oreo with Sony's own UI running on top of it. The look and feel of the operating system has been adjusted to the new design language. The graphic elements, like for example the Google search bar on the home screen, have now rounded edges. Sony also positions its new digital Xperia assistant on the home screen. The feature is basically a manual disguised as a chat, together with some links that lead to useful features of the phone. The Xperia XZ2 Compact will launch in Europe during the second quarter of 2018, around the beginning of May. The price will be €599. The available color versions are black, silver, pink and green. With the XZ2 and XZ2 Compact, Sony has introduced us to the newest smartphone design, and we gotta be honest, we really like it. There are some really cool features and we're really excited to try them out. If you were waiting for the XZ2 Premium, don't worry, Sony has already teased us with a dual camera setup that should be really good, so we're waiting for that. If you watch this video on our website, please leave a comment, tell us what you think about the new devices. If you watch this video on YouTube, leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.